past few weeks have been more on organizing, planning, and shopping for a new apartment. We went to IKEA a few days ago, and I think this is the end of our shopping list for the time being. Instead of running errands most of the time for a new apartment, we realized that we need to live and savor the moment while we are here and enjoy the calmness of the place. We noticed that we've been focusing more on designing and planning, but we forgot to live in the moment and enjoy the company of a new home. Hello! We're currently waiting for our time to have a car wash. Anyways, welcome back to another Life in Canada series. And today is Saturday, February 10, 2024. We have so many things to do today because we are inviting some of our friends to have a housewarming party tonight. So this whole weekend thing, we are busy because of course today we are doing that housewarming. Tomorrow we are heading to Toronto. It's Chinese New Year and I've been craving for Chinese foods, and I have been searching for a lot of coffee shops in Toronto, and I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been to Toronto. I think it's been like 2 months already.
Sa pinakalimtan nga palit ng dere.
is Sunday and we're currently here in Toronto. We're actually planning to go to IKEA and go to this coffee shop that I recently discovered at Vaughan. I'm not sure if we're really going there, but we shall see. Today's a gloomy day. I really hate every time I come here in Toronto. It's just gloomy and I don't like it. Or maybe it's just because of winter. But we shall see during the summer. So we're going back and forth. Anyways, so I'm just waiting for Arlen, and he's just grabbing something to eat. And also, on our way here, we actually pick up Tim Hortons. Guess what happened? I think I've shared this one in my Instagram story, and we're really grateful for the person who paid for our Timmy's. I mean, like, you know, we're not kind of used to it. I just saw it on YouTube shorts or reels in IG, and surprisingly we encountered to this kind of situation, and we're just so grateful. I mean, we can pay for it, but the fact that they paid for it, today's Sunday and it's Sabbath day, and it's really meaningful to us, and we're just so happy that people are very kind. There are so many people in the world that's very kind like them, and again, we're really grateful. Anyways, so I'm gonna update you once we go to IKEA, but for now I'm going to edit my upload for tonight. I've been very busy lately and burned out, so I was really thinking of getting a relaxation. And last night we had a housewarming party, so it was kind of hectic, and after that one I couldn't even, like, you know, after all the household chores like cleaning and everything, I just went to bed, and that's it. I slept for the whole night and woke up this morning and get up and get ready for Toronto. So it was really busy, and tomorrow is Monday, so it's gonna be a work day again. Hopefully it's not gonna be very busy like Friday. But anyway, so let's get going, and I'm going to have some editing to do. So we're in the middle of the road. I don't know if I'm allowed to park here, but there are people who parks in there, so I'm hoping I'm allowed to do so. But I'm hoping that Arlen will be back any minute soon, so that we could go and find a proper parking space so we could, you know, savor our food. Hello, welcome back to our apartment. We have been hovering around Vaughan this afternoon. We were actually looking for IKEA and IKEA stuffs, to be honest. I've been browsing IKEA for the past month or 2 months, so I already know what to buy in IKEA. I really wanted to go there because I wanted to see, you know, the actual thing. So instead of ordering online, I really went there. And this is what we got. We're gonna make a haul for IKEA stuffs that we bought this afternoon or today. So I bought this one. This is a design Monica molder. So this has 3 different size systems too. I bought this one for an organizer, like for example, organizer for our cabinet, where we can have a division when it comes to our underwears or to our socks or to handkerchiefs and stuff. So it looks like this one. This one is the small one, and it has a zipper in it. So we'll just zip it. There. So it looks like this one. Don't mind the baskets because these are just eco bags from Walmart and No Frills. So it has different sizes. For example, this one is the medium, like this one. And I think this is the largest one. Oh no, they're the same. So these is the medium. This one's the medium. So I hope it will fit our drawer. So these are 6 different ones. I also got this one. This one is the design as Faker F. Kayo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna put the name of the item here. I'm also gonna put everything in the description box for your references. So the purpose for this one is where we put the knives. We didn't buy actually like whole set of knives with a rack for that one, so it's actually we bought it before, so we just wanted to buy a rack, and here it is. Hopefully it will help us organize our kitchen. And also got this pads. You also have this spray, peprig spray. Marlon wanted to buy that one to put vinegar and to like clean some stuffs. And I also got these Enrida. This is a design Francis something in 20mm. I'm planning to change the thing in my drawer. So this is in a 20mm. We're gonna fix the drawer. And everything in here are 7 pieces of these ones. These ones, like kitchen utensils or stuffs, because I'm going to send these ones. These are 7 different packs. I'm going to send this one to the Philippines, to my family, to my mom's brothers and sisters. So another thing in here is this one. This is very, very helpful when it comes to Arlen's headphones. Like, I mean, you just stand, it just stands, and then you just put the headphones in it. And then I also got this one. This is very helpful when it comes to wirings. Hopefully this is going to be helpful. This is the satin. Looks like this one. Like you put it in like this one. You have a hole in here where you put the wirings and everything. So, because I really hate seeing those, you know what I mean? And I also have this ones. Another organizer for a drawer here in the kitchen. And that will be everything for the IKEA haul. One thing I realized as I got older is that no matter how you tried in life, there is only one person who will always be by your side, no matter what, and that is you. Spread love wherever you go, spread kindness and respect. One day, it will all bounce back to you and you will be blessed with so much more than you ever gave to anyone. Always remember to be grateful. Maybe your unlucky day or your luckiest day, always be grateful. Always acknowledge the good in life, as it is the foundation for all abundance, by Eckhart Tolle. Hello everyone. If you are listening to someone playing the piano right now, it's Arlen. He's been playing nonstop with his piano, and today is Friday, finally the last day of work this week, but we still have our part-time jobs on Saturday and Sunday. Monday is no work because it is the holiday. It's the family day here in Ontario. I'm not sure about other provinces, but yeah. So let us appreciate my lip. I've been using, no, I've not been using, I just used this one today. The I think it's a L'Oreal lip something. It's in my bag actually, but I've been loving it actually, and it's not like smudgy. Like, I've tried my cup of water. It doesn't stick on the glass. And also, let's appreciate my hair. I just got my hair like just a few moments ago, like 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I went to the salon. My hair is originally here until here, like moments ago. But then I just wanted to cut my hair because I don't feel like it anymore. It doesn't inspire me, like waking up in the morning, styling my hair, and it just keeps getting heavy and heavy. And it just keeps giving more time on drying my hair. So this is the best idea and the best way to at least cut off 10 minutes of my morning routine. Anyway, so I'm so hungry. We're gonna have dinner, like early dinner. I'm probably gonna go to Shoppers later, and also I am going to style my hair and see whether it will look good on me. This is the selfie mode. It's so nice. It looks so fresh. I'm looking at this, the viewfinder. Do you call it viewfinder? But I really love it. This is gonna be my everyday style. I'm styling it like a little straightener. So yeah. Simple joys. It's holy. As much as possible, little things can impact so much on a person. May it be by sharing half of your cookie to them, or by smiling brightly, or by just saying your thank yous. Those little things can always change a person's perspective in life. You never know that one person you just encountered in the street is in need of help mentally, and by doing those little things, you can give them hope and encouragement to still continue with their day-to-day living. Sometimes, those little things in life will lead into someone's simple joys, where they give more meaning into their life.